Conquer the grammar jungle. Active versus passive voice. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to explore the realm of passive and active voice. This video is designed to take you from understanding to mastery, especially focused on converting sentences from passive to active voice. Before we jump into practice and exercises, let's do a quick refresher. In the active voice, the subject performs the action. On the other hand, in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. Remember that passive voice often includes forms of the verb to be, like is, was, were, and been. The key to converting a sentence from passive to active voice is to identify who or what is performing the action. The performer then becomes the subject in the active sentence. The trick is to identify the actor and shift it to the beginning of the sentence, often reversing the sentence structure. Nothing beats learning like doing, so let's do some practice exercises. The best way to master this is through repetitive practice. For example, take the sentence, "The cat was chased by the dog." In active voice, this would be, "The dog chased the cat." There are plenty of offline resources available for enhancing your English language learning journey. Some include textbooks, grammar exercise books, and language learning guides, which often contain practice sections dedicated to voice conversion. In addition, consider writing out your own sentences in passive voice, and then trying to convert them to active voice. This will not only give you practice in conversion, but will also help reinforce your understanding of the differences between active and passive voice. And finally, remember that discussion and debate can be a powerful learning tool. Try to engage in conversations about the topic with your fellow learners, or find an online forum where you can post questions and get feedback. That's all for today's lesson on converting from passive to active voice. It's a powerful tool to have in your English grammar toolbox, and with practice, you'll be a master in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.